Okay, good evening. Welcome to our today's class in this unit of ours of human anatomy and physiology. And today we are going to tackle the introduction to circulatory system. As you can see on the screen on the slides, and we are going to start with the introduction. The circulatory system is considered closed system because blood remains in blood vessels, heart, arteries, capillaries, veins, and back to the heart, and only nutrients, gases, and wastes are exchanged at the capillaries. Cardiovascular system mainly is the system which consists of the heart, blood vessels, and the blood. Its primary function is to transport nutrients and oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body and to carry out deoxygenated blood back to the lung. We are going to look at five major functions of cardiovascular system, and one is transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Two is to transport nutrients and waste products in the body. And three is to for disease protection and healing of wounds. Then there is a hormone delivery to the various organs of the body. Then regulation of the body temperature. Then we are going to look at blood vessels. Blood vessels have a range of different sizes and structure depending on their role in the body. Like the arteries, which carry out oxygenated blood, which are pumped from the heart along the arteries, which are muscular, which enables them to pump the blood. Then we have the capillaries, which are small that blood cells can only move through them one at a time. Then we have the veins. Veins have one-way valve instead of muscles to stop blood from running back to the wrong way. Then we have the control of blood pressure. Blood pressure refers to the amount of the blood inside the circulatory system as the blood is pumped around the body. Then you are going to look at the structures of the blood vessels. As you can see on the screen, the slides, we have the large vein, which has some layers. Then we have the vein and the venule. Then we have the large vessels like the elastic arteries, and we have the muscular artery and the arteriole. Then we want to look at the structure of the heart, as you can see, and we have various parts of the heart, as you can see, the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. And also we have the blood vessels like superior vena cava from the upper body, and we have pulmonary artery which goes to the left lung, and we have pulmonary artery to the left lung. And you can see the chambers of the heart. And now we want to look at the blood contents. You know, the blood consists of the red blood cells, which its main function is to carry oxygen, and we have the white blood cells that make up the part of the immune system, and we have the platelets needed for clotting, which stops blood when the body is injured, and we have the plasma, the blood cells, nutrients, and wastes float in this liquid known as plasma. Then we are going to look at the structure of the red blood cells. As you can see on the screen, we have the red blood cells, and which has another name of erythrocyte, and white blood cells, leukocytes, and the platelets, which is thrombocytes. And that is the end for today. And next to our next lesson, we are going to carry on from there. Thank you.